System.io versus ClickFunnels. Which one is better? Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to review which between System.io versus ClickFunnels is better. First up, let's take a look at System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing platform that's been gaining a lot of attention. It offers features like email marketing, funnel building, membership sites, and even an affiliate program. One of its biggest selling points is its affordability. For smaller businesses or solo entrepreneurs, System.io's pricing plans are quite competitive. The email marketing feature in System.io is quite user-friendly. You can create and automate campaigns easily with a drag-and-drop email builder that doesn't require any technical expertise. Their funnel builder is also intuitive. You can set up sales funnels and landing pages without needing to code. Plus, it includes tools for managing membership sites and affiliates, which is pretty cool if you're looking to expand your online presence. Now let's shift gears and talk about ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels has been a major player in the funnel building space for years. It's known for its powerful and highly customizable sales funnel capabilities. The platform offers a range of features including funnel templates, email integrations, and a comprehensive CRM system. ClickFunnels is often praised for its user-friendly drag-and-drop editor and its extensive library of pre-built funnel templates. These templates can save you a lot of time if you're looking to quickly launch high-converting sales pages. The email integrations are robust and the CRM tools are advanced, making it easier to manage leads and sales. So which one is better? It really depends on your needs and budget. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that's budget-friendly, System.io is a great choice. If you need advanced funnel features and don't mind investing a bit more, ClickFunnels could be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions or need further clarifications, drop them in the comments below. See you next time. Bye!